welcome to your Unit 7 Foundations test. Today you will need your boat book, so that's your composition book. You can pause the video now to go get this book. All right, are you ready to go? Today we're going to turn to page 100. You'll know you're on the right page when you see 100 in the bottom corner, and in the top you'll see we're on test for Unit 7. Do you see that on your page? Awesome, let's get started. First, we're going to do some sounds. Remember, for these sounds, I want you to write all of the sounds that you remember. We'll start with the E sound. E. Echo me. E. You should be writing 3 sounds for E. So in number 1 right here, write all 3 sounds. Double check, did you get 3? Great. Looks like you're ready for number 2. Number 2 is I. I. And I have 3 ways that we can write that also. Did you get all 3 ways to write I? Great. Next, number 3. Number 3 is ya. Ya. Echo me. Ya. Like in yellow. Ya. There's just one way to write ya. Number 4. Like in up. There's just one way to write the sound. Number 5, iled. Echo me, iled. There's just one way to write iled. You can always pause if you need some more time to do some thinking and some writing. Now let's go to our words. Remember, for the word section, you need to write the word neatly, mark the word, and also scoop the word. So number 1 in the word section, remote. Remote. Double check that you wrote the word, and then you scooped the word, then you marked up the word. Did you do all of that? Okay, it looks like you're ready for the next one. Number 2, shyness. Shyness. Don't forget to mark it up also. Number 3, windy. Windy. Write it and mark it up. Number 4, lobby. Lobby. Number 5, menu. Menu. Don't forget to mark up the words. Before we go on to trick words, I want to make sure that you have marked up all of the words that you've written so far. So that means you've scooped it or you've circled the suffix. And you've marked it up with either closed or open, vowel, consonant, E, all of those things. Make sure you did that. Then double check to make sure you also have your macrons and your letters crossed off. Did you do all of those things for the words? You can pause the video now and fix some of them if you need to. Next, we'll go on to our trick words. Let's go with number 1. Number 1 is every. Every. Number 2 is something. Something. Nice work. We're going to turn the page to the next page, 101. So the page right next to it, it also says test for unit 7 at the top. You ready for our sentences? Great. Here's number 1. His family is trying to find a large hotel in the city. His family is trying to find a large hotel in the city. Once you have it written, make sure that you scoop it as well. Family is trying to find a large hotel in the city. So you're going to scoop it based on phrasing. So remember, this is what we do for this part. Wherever it makes the most sense for you to add a scoop, show me where you would phrase that sentence. His family is trying to find a large hotel in the city. Did you add your scoops? Perfect. Now let's go to number 2. We depend on firemen to protect us. We depend on firemen to protect us. Once you've written a sentence for number 2, I need you to make sure that you can go ahead and show me where you would do the phrasing. We depend on firemen to protect us. Excellent work today. If you ever need to go back and rewatch some of the video, you can. And as a reminder, you can use your materials if you need to. Those things that we've written and we've practiced are there to help you. Can't wait to see your work. Bye.